3 months ago, Jamie had no idea AI would rewrite her entire bank account. And honestly, she almost deleted ChatGPT the first week. Rent was rising, her car insurance just jumped another $31 a month, and one more missed payment meant real trouble. By the end of March 2026, Jamie was over $500 short on her bills again. This is the story of how AI flipped the script. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Jamie used ChatGPT to slash her bills by over $500 per month, and how you can do it too. Chapter 1 Setup 030 Meet Jamie, an ordinary 29-year-old renting in Austin, Texas in spring 2026. He worked remote with 2 jobs, customer support in the mornings, DoorDash at night, gas, groceries, and even her Spotify went up this year. The goal: stop drowning in relentless bills. Jamie tried every budget hack from YouTube, but nothing stuck. Auto-pay reminders. He still forgot. Detailed spreadsheet. Didn't last a week. He even called her cell phone provider to negotiate. Ended up on hold for 40 minutes. Gave up. Here's where it gets interesting. A friend at work showed her a TikTok about using ChatGPT for budgeting. Jamie was skeptical. She heard of AI giving dumb advice or making mistakes. What could a chatbot possibly do about a real $500 bill gap? Next, Jamie prompted ChatGPT. Write a script I can use to negotiate my car insurance. Full prompt on screen. See description for free download. She copy-pasted the AI's script into her provider's chat. 2 hours later, she'd switched to a usage-based plan. Monthly cost dropped to $102. In a cliffhanger, but then things got weird. Chapter 3 Complications 400 Jamie was on a roll. Saving $65/month just from subscriptions and insurance. But then, a curveball. ChatGPT suggested, call your internet provider, use this negotiation script. Only when Jamie tried, the agent said, sorry, rates are up, nothing I can do. Typed her frustration in ChatGPT and the AI suggested an email escalation template. Jamie hit send. Within 24 hours, she got a loyalty discount, $16 off monthly plus a 3-month promo. But here's the catch, some things failed. ChatGPT said her utility provider had online rebates. The site hadn't updated since 2024. Dead end. Still, when she prompted ChatGPT to brainstorm side hustle gigs in Austin that pay within a week, it listed 2 gigs she never considered. Local mystery shopping plus $45/week, and pet sitting for traveling tech workers plus $80/week. The real surprise is coming. Chapter 4 Climax 600. At this point, Jamie had already racked up $163 in monthly savings. The breakthrough happened when she asked, what recurring charges am I overlooking that AI can cat? ChatGPT had her upload a PDF for credit card statement, using a GPT Plus plugin demo below, and it flagged a forgotten gym membership $37/month, plus an annual Prime renewal about to hit for $139. 2 clicks, Jamie canceled the gym and switched Prime to student plan. Yeah. She's in night school, half the price. Total monthly savings, $241. Annual boost, factoring in the missed yearly charge, $524. But here's the final twist. Chapter 5 Resolution and what we learned 700. 3 months later, Jamie's bank account stopped sliding. With the boost from AI side hustles, plus $125/month, and smart bill prompts, her total monthly gap flipped to positive $300. Not rich. Not a finance guru, she's just using AI to do the stuff she hated anyway. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every DIY and you don't want to miss the next one. Here's what you need to know. Always plug in your real numbers. Don't just guess. Use negotiation scripts from ChatGPT for every bill. Email, call, chat, trial channels. Use ChatGPT plugins or Rocket Money for deep statement review. Be ready for some failures. Not every prompt will work, but the wins add up. Back these AI savings with quick AI recommended gigs for faster results. So could you save $500 this month with just ChatGPT and real persistence? If you like this story, the next video reveals the weirdest ways people are using AI for side hustles in 2026, including a college kid who paid for his Tesla charging with ChatGPT prompt. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI plus money content every single day. The next story is even crazier. And B-roll of Austin skyline at night, upbeat music, session end card. Watch next, 5 AI side hustles that pay in 24 hours.